Okay everyone, learn to code by coding, LeetCode 1342, number of steps to reduce a number to 0. In this exercise we're given a input number and we have to count how many operations it took for this number to, become 0. And we have two rules for that. First one, if the number is even, we divide it by 2. If the number is odd, we subtract 1, and on we go until we get to 0. Now, two little tips before we begin. I encourage you to pause the video, try to solve it on your own, and then you come back to see if our solutions are similar. First one, instead of using a for loop, I suggest you should use a while loop. And the second one is to understand what the mod operator is. This is the symbol for the mod operator. Both will be important for solving this exercise. Now, with that said, let's go for the solution. First of all, we start our counter, which will count the number of operations. And now we use our while loop. So while our number is greater than 0, and first we have to check if the number is even, and to do so we use if num mod 2 equals 0. What we do is, first of all, num equals itself divided by 2, and the counter grows by 1. So it will stop here, the counter will grow by 1, and the loop will be restarted. Now, second check actually, if the number isn't if the number mod 2 isn't 0, so it's odd, so we don't have to use a another if or a elif statement. All we have to do is write else. So else, because the number now is obviously odd, the number is itself minus 1, and the counter grows by 1. So it will go like this. If it's even, divides; if it's odd, subtracts, until the number becomes 0. When it happens, the program will just skip this loop, and we end by returning the counter itself. So let's run the code. Here we go, accepted, and if we submit, here we go, success. Well, if you solved it differently, please comment below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see each other next time.